Good morning, everyone. I want to be very brief in this session. I just read from the Nepal television. Our general manager just mentioned few things about the climate change. So I want to just focus more on the narratives of the media in telling the stories of climate change. In the context of our own country, Nepal, there are many people nationally and internationally beyond the national borders. They just think that Nepal is full of snow mountains and the melting down the glaciers might have caused a severe floods and other devastating situation. So these narratives should also be changed because that is not the only case. Because Nepal, the terrain of Nepal has been very diverse in terms of the geography. So we have 68% of mountains, 15% of snow mountains, and 17% of plain area. So what I need to say, what I want to say is, first save our planet, then thereby you can save the lives of people. So if you go to some data, you can find that 150 bird species have already been lost during the 500 years. So what I want to focus more on that, save the biodiversity and ecosystems of the planet, then you can save the lives of people. So another focus is, as a media, you have to be more focused on the every stages of the disaster that has been caused by the, you can say, it's a crisis of the climate crisis. So that is the mitigation, you can say, preparedness, recovery. So these are the stages. We have to be focused on every stages. So what I see is people, they are focusing more on the recovery. They are not focusing on the preparedness and they are not focusing on mitigation and response. So I suggest every media, and they will have a formats of program. There are two parts, content and format. Universally accepted broadcasting format are none other than magazine, testimonial formats, you can say interviews, drama, those are the formats. So in recent days you have to be more precise, that's why you select some of the video PSAs. That will be very brief and people will give attention to it. So we Radio Nepal are focusing now as introducing the video PSAs. That will be very brief and people will get aware about everything. So I think that the narratives of climate change stories should be changed right after this. So I request media to act according to this. So thank you because of the time constraints. Thank you.